Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're talking about how to add transitions to videos in Premiere Pro. And if you can stick to the end of this video, I'll be dropping some of the basic transitions that you need to know. So the first thing first is to go to your effects panel, which is here. You can see mine is here. If you're not seeing your own in your workspace, all you have to do, let me close this one. If you're not seeing your own in any of this workspace, all you have to do is to go to your Windows. You will see effects. Just click on effect. The shortcut is shift plus 7, sorry. You click on effect, then your own will appear here. You're not seeing it here, shake here or shake this side. You will see it because you can adjust your workspace. So if you come to effect, you come down to video transitions. So you can see that they have many types of transitions that are here. These are default transitions that Premiere Pro have provided for us. So if you click on this small arrow, you open this folder, then you go to this up, you see other folders for transitions, then click on this small arrow, then you can select any of the transitions that we have here. So let's select the cross dissolve. All you have to do is you just click and drag to this place. You can see if you are seeing this sign now, it means that you want to add a transition to your video. So let's add it in between these two videos because I have two videos here. So let's say if you click on the plus button to zoom, if you play this video now, you can see that we have added a cross dissolve transition to this video. Let me go back, we play, you can see the change. Then let's say we don't want to make use of this, or we don't want to add it in between these two videos, we want to use it to start. You can use any of these ones. Let's use deep to white. You can add it here. You can see the difference. So these are how to add transitions to video. I believe this video is helpful. Please do well to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.